Here it is. Here we are. Running through the Spartan trail in the heavy wind. That's right. Cutting through the Spartan trail through the heavy wind. In the heavy wind. Here we are. Cutting through the Spartan trail in the heavy wind. That's right. Here we are. Cutting through the Spartan trail in the heavy wind. Watch out for fallen trees. Now that was a dangerous move. Hope it won't come to that. Whoa, look at the trees swaying in the wind. The heavy wind. Here it is. The heavy wind. Here we are, cutting through the Spartan trail in the heavy wind. See what it's like to cut through heading back the same way we came earlier. Whoa! Sound like I hear squeaking from the trees while blowing in the wind. Beware of the fallen trees. Better hope it don't come to that before somebody gets hurt when the tree falls down. Here we are, cutting through the Spartan trail in the heavy wind. That's right, cutting through the Spartan trail in the heavy wind. Here it is. The heavy wind. That's right. The heavy wind. Here it is. The heavy wind. That's right. The heavy wind. Beware of the fallen trees. I believe this was a dangerous area to cut through when it's windy like this. Here we are, cutting through the Spartan trail in the heavy wind. There you have it. Thank goodness we made it out. Hope this path stays open after the wind dies out. There you have it. Cutting through the Spartan Trail in the heavy wind. Look at them trees swaying in the breeze. The heavy wind. Here it is. I gotta get out of the way of the fallen trees before it occurs. Somebody would have been hurt in that situation. Here it is. The heavy wind. There you have it, over and out, cutting through the Spartan Trail in the heavy wind. Like us on YouTube and subscribe. Cutting through the Spartan Trail in the heavy wind. Like us on YouTube and subscribe and share. Add some comments if you have to. On YouTube. It's gonna get really windy out. Hopefully I'll make it home without getting blown away by this heavy wind. That's all for now. Like us on YouTube and subscribe.